Hi! Mobile application Darbuka Rhythms for drummers and belly dancers. The most popular Middle Eastern rhythms with visual description. Choose different variation of each rhythm and instrument and also change tempo and sound. Learn by video lessons how to play Darbuka and how to belly dance. Create your own rhythms and compositions for practice, for lessons, for performances. Train your skills related to rhythms identification by ear. Play Darbuka by yourself. Darbuka Rhythms is available for Android and iOS and translated in 6 languages. Just download it. And now, sorry, I have to practice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.